Okay guys, this is HISENSE soundbar HS218. I'm going to show you how to connect this soundbar to TV using HDMI cable. HDMI cable is included in the packaging. So to hook this up, you need to first of all unplug the soundbar from the power. Then take the HDMI cable, go to HDMI ARC. So go to the ARC, push the cable inside, and it's in. Then take this end of the cable to the TV. So take the cable to the back of your TV where it's written HDMI 2 in eARC. Push the cable inside it, and it's in. Now plug the soundbar to the power, and also plug the subwoofer to the power. Now switch the TV on, and also switch the soundbar on. And the soundbar is showing us hello, and it's showing us ARC. So if it's not in ARC, you need to use the source to select, make sure it's in ARC. You can see with the source, you select line in, BT, optical, coaxial, and ARC. So leave it in ARC. Then go to your TV settings. Use the gear button to select the TV settings.
Excitement.
This is actually connected. So go to TV settings, scroll down to the sound, and the sound is showing us HDMI ARC. If it's not in HDMI ARC, then you need to select the sound, scroll to the side, and look for where it's written HDMI ARC. Then you select it. So now this is connected via HDMI ARC, and when it's in ARC, you can control the volume using the soundbar remote. Likewise, TV remote control. Now I want to go to Homes, go to YouTube.
Hey guys, what's good?
This is the audio.
How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is HISENSE HS218 soundbar. This is 2.1 channel soundbar. It's called the Beast. 240 watts audio power, Dolby audio, DTS, TV mode. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This soundbar got 3 speakers and 6 equalizer settings. So let's check this stuff out and see what is inside. It will help.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
Sound.